Senior Database Developer. Are you looking for an exciting opportunity to advance your career in IT? People Prime Worldwide, India's largest IT staffing company, is thrilled to announce a fantastic opening for a Senior Database Developer. Key skills required: .NET Core, Entity Framework, ASP.NET, Web APIs, WCF, MVC, Ado.NET, jQuery, JSON, Bootstrap, SQL, OpenLayers, Web API, Microservice Architecture, Docker, etc., and handling e-servers. Experience required in CQRS and MediaTI using vertical slice architecture. A solid understanding of Fluent API, Fluent validations, and both code first and DB first approach. Proficiency in tools like Git, Azure DevOps, Jira, and Postman, along with CI/CD integrations. Job location: Bangalore. Work experience: 10 to 17 years. Education qualification: any graduation. Work mode: work from office. Employment type: full-time. CTC: 35 lakh Indian rupees per yearly. Notice period: 0 to 30 days. These positions are for our esteemed clients of People Prime Worldwide. Check out the description for more details and apply now. Like, share, and subscribe for the latest IT job opportunities with People Prime Jobs.